I'm about to ruin airports for you forever. You think you know what's happening behind those walls? You don't. Airlines are hiding stuff that would blow your mind. Some clever, some creepy, some downright shocking. I worked in aviation for 3 years. What I discovered? Airlines literally train staff to dodge these questions. Here are 10 secrets they're praying you never find out, plus a bonus that'll change how you fly forever. Let's expose what's really going on. Ever feel like you're moving in slow motion through security? That's not an accident. See that carpet under your feet? It's a mind trick. Airports deliberately switch from hard tile to soft carpet because it messes with your brain. You automatically slow down without realizing it. Why? Slower passengers are easier to control. You're calmer, more manageable, less likely to cause problems. That comfortable carpet isn't comfort. It's behavioral manipulation. You're not walking through security, you're being herded. Just cleared security? Thirsty? Don't touch that water fountain. Here's what they don't tell you. Those fountains are filthier than gas station bathrooms. We're talking weeks without cleaning. Mold, bacteria, biofilm, the whole disgusting package. Plus, hundreds of travelers jam that same button every day. I know the $6 water bottle hurts, but trust me, it's cheaper than getting sick on vacation. Your gut will thank you later. Think you're anonymous in that crowd? You're not. Airport staff get advance alerts about passengers. VIPs get special treatment, frequent flyers get perks, and troublemakers get flagged. Had a meltdown at baggage claim last year? Yelled at a gate agent? They remember every detail. Those smiling staff members? They're profiling you the second you approach. Gate agents, flight attendants, even security. They're all trained to spot potential problems and assess your threat level before you even speak. So maybe save the drama for after you land. Airport karma is real. You drop off your luggage and think it's heading straight to the plane? Not even close. Your bag goes on a high-tech spy mission first. We're talking scanners that would make NASA jealous, explosive detection systems that see through everything. And I mean everything. These machines don't just check what's visible. They analyze chemical signatures, scan shapes, sniff for explosives. Your underwear gets the full CSI treatment before it even hits the conveyor belt. Advanced imaging, chemical detection, AI analysis. It all happens in seconds while you're grabbing coffee. Don't worry, they're not judging your questionable souvenir choices. They just want to make sure your socks aren't packing heat. Need cash at the airport? That ATM could cost you dearly. Airport ATMs exploit travelers with excessive fees and poor exchange rates. You're looking at losing 10% or more per transaction, sometimes significantly more with foreign cards. The fees are buried in complex terms most people don't read. These machines target stressed travelers who need quick cash and aren't thinking clearly about costs. It's a deliberate business model designed to maximize profit from your urgency. Always withdraw cash before entering the airport. Use credit cards for purchases inside instead. That convenience could cost you far more than you realize. That clean-looking airplane seat? It's not. Aircraft are mobile breeding grounds for bacteria and viruses. Hundreds of passengers from around the world touch every surface, sneeze, cough, and leave their germs behind. Between flights, planes get a quick surface wipe, not a deep clean. Those monthly deep cleans airlines advertise? They're rare. Your tray table could harbor more bacteria than a public restroom. The armrests, seatbelts, and overhead bins are all contaminated. Pack sanitizing wipes. Clean your seat, tray table, armrests, and anything you'll touch before settling in. What you can't see could make you seriously ill. Flight delayed and you're starving? That $14 sandwich isn't an accident. Airports operate on captive customer pricing. Once you pass security, you're trapped with no alternatives. Water bottles cost $4, granola bars $6, basic sandwiches $14. Everything is marked up 300 to 500% compared to outside prices. This isn't random gouging. It's calculated exploitation of travelers who have no choice. Airlines and airport vendors know you're tired, hungry, and can't leave to find better options. The pricing strategy relies on your desperation and limited time. Pack snacks before security. Your budget depends on it. Lost your bag permanently? It might end up at auction. Unclaimed luggage doesn't sit in storage indefinitely. After a designated period, airports sell lost bags to the highest bidder. No one inspects the contents first. Buyers purchase completely blind. These auctions operate as mystery box sales. Bidders could acquire designer clothing, electronics, personal documents, or worthless items. The contents remain unknown until after purchase. This system allows airports to recover storage costs while clearing warehouse space. Your personal belongings become commercial inventory when the claim period expires. Check your bag's tracking carefully. What starts as lost luggage could become someone else's purchase. Flying at 35,000 feet thinking your pilot's wide awake? Think again. On long flights, pilots actually take scheduled naps. It's not only allowed, it's required. They rotate sleep shifts in hidden crew compartments while the co-pilot or autopilot handles things. This isn't dangerous, it's smart. Aviation authorities figured out that well-rested pilots are way safer than exhausted ones fighting to stay awake. Would you rather have a pilot who got proper rest, or one who's been awake for 16 hours trying to land your plane? The choice is obvious. So if your captain's catching some Z's mid-flight, that's exactly what they're supposed to be doing. Just landed? Everyone's rushing to that first bathroom by arrivals. Don't follow the crowd. That bathroom is a nightmare, packed with passengers from your flight and others, lines out the door, no supplies, total chaos. It's the worst restroom experience in the entire airport. Here's what smart travelers do. Keep walking. Go deeper into the terminal. You'll find quieter, cleaner bathrooms that are actually stocked and peaceful. It's 60 seconds of extra walking that saves you 10 minutes of standing in line with cranky travelers. Skip the stampede. Your bladder can wait, but your sanity shouldn't have to.